This week, we attended the world premiere of our short film, WOODSMAN, in our very own hometown. Here's how it went.
Well, tonight was opening night at the San Luis Obispo International Film Festival.
The Slow Film Fest is in full swing, and
filmmakers from the Central Coast and across the country walked the red carpet at the Fremont Theater on Tuesday night.
We're going to our film premiere.
Dude,
Epic. Film festival time. It's opening night of the San Luis Obispo Film Festival. We're on our way there right now. We're gonna park, we're gonna get our badges, we're gonna go to the opening night reception, and then we're gonna attend a movie premiere.
what's that? Who made that? We did.
Our film, WOODSMAN, is about a young married couple that live by the edge of a lake. One of them cannot speak, and they have to find a way to communicate with one another. And all the while, something mysterious and enigmatic and maybe supernatural starts to call to them from the other side of the lake. Dude, our movie is gonna be right.
I don't know how he does it. This is nobody like
I'm so nervous, dude. Seeing our work up on the big screen was absolutely fantastic. We got an amazing response from the audience, and afterwards we were able to have a Q&A. We're from SLO, and so it means a lot for us to be able to have our movie premiere here in our hometown.
What's happening?
The award ceremony starts at 7:30. That night, there was an award ceremony. We had already won 7 awards at other competitions, but this night, it was really exciting because we had the potential to accept an award in person on stage. Despite all of the free food that was available at all the events, we were starving, and so we had to go get sandwiches. Because of that, we were a little bit late to the actual award ceremony, and barely a minute after we sat down, they were already announcing the winners, and we had to stand back up again. I mean, thank you so much for this honor. Our film is about a very intimate relationship between 2 people, and it came forth from a very intimate friendship between 3 best friends. What just happened? We just won Best Narrative Short. Best Narrative Short Award. Us 3. We won.
We are what?
We won.